everyone, Lesleyanne here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is the first time you've actually visited my channel, today I have something really interesting. If you are a dog owner or you walk dogs, so I've been sent this particular product to do a unboxing and a review of. For those of you that already subscribe to my channel and follow my channel, you all know that not only do we have 2 dogs of our own, but we also look after dogs in our home when their humans go away on holiday or for whatever reason. So I did agree to do this because it's something I'm very interested in trying. So let's open it, shall we? So this is the shock absorbing auto brake leash, and I've got it in small. Because both of my dogs are actually small, so it made perfect sense to try the small one. There is information here about it with the instruction manual, and it's the auto brake leash. And so there is a little guide here, sort of how to use it with the locking button, etc. As with all equipment for animals, there is obviously a risk of injury, and so of course we need to pay extra attention to that. So as I say, this gives you everything that you need to know about it. It certainly is a little weighty piece. You can see how kind of well it's really made. It feels very sturdy in the hand. I don't know if this would fit most people's hand size. If you're a guy, I'm really not sure, but definitely sort of mine it does anyway. And I imagine that this is possibly bigger with every kind of size that you go up for your dog. Right, so I'm going to just talk you through some of the fine details of this. It does come in size small right the way up to an XL. As I say, the one that I've got here is in a small size, and this one retails at £20. The company will ship free for any orders over £16 sterling or $20. It does have an easy roll-on, roll-off button, which is activated by your thumb, which I will show you when we try it on the dogs anyway, or one of the dogs anyway. It also does have a 360 degrees tangle-free outlet design. So because you've got this bit here, that stops it tangling because you've got the 360 degree thingy there. I like the fact that this is like an anti-slip, ergonomically shaped handle. I mean, it's perfect for my hand. And just here, that little hole there, you see that in that little yellow part just underneath the handle there. It's got a little like hole there so that you can clip on your little poo bags to it as well to keep them all together with the lead. So just to sort of tell you a little bit more about the actual company. So Fida, I'm not sure if it's Fida or Fida, but I'm going to call it Fida. It is a brand of dog leashes And as I've already said, it's got the auto brake leash, and it acts very similar to a car seat belt, and it's helped millions of families have a better walking experience with their dog or dogs. The company has said that it can definitely help with pulling, your dog's pulling, and it has been recommended by dog trainers and a lot of vets. I'm going to ask the company if they will give a discount code for anyone who wishes to purchase one of these leads. So look out for that in the description box, because if they offer one, that's where I'll pop it in the description box, okay? But now I really kind of need to try on the dogs, but I love the colour. I love the fact that it, I don't know, it reminds me of a great big yo-yo or something. It has a different design totally to, wow, certainly for me, any retractable lead that I've used before. It is quite a weighty piece, but I think that just adds to like the quality of it. So that's the locking mechanism, and then you pull it back and the dog can be, you know, the dog can have a little bit more leash to run and walk with. So again, lock it, and when it is locked like that, the dog won't be able to like pull off of the lead and sort of extend it. And as you can see, one of my dogs is here, and she's going to be modelling it for you in a moment. Right then, Elsie, let's pop your lead, your new lead on. Stay still. There we go. And come on then. Oh yeah, clever. Come on then, you're going to go for a walk with Dad. Yeah, walk then. Come on then. Right. Go on then. So that's it extended. Well, she's not used to an extendable lead, so she's not like walking ahead. Right, and then if you push that bit forward, it's locked. Pull it back, it's extendable. Push it forward, she can't go anywhere. Right,
Come on.
could you just extend it a bit?
There you go.
Yay!
Whoa, look at that.
Elsie, come on then. There we go, so automatically retracts and locks really well. And then on their way back, come on then, come on in, easy good girl. Come on in, come on in, good girl. Yeah, it does, yeah, that's the, it acts a bit like a seatbelt.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah. Are you coming down for a walk, or are you being lazy, boy? Come on. So this is the usual sort of leads we put on their like harnesses.